ePayPolicy integrates with Vertifor's FinancePro to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Your clients will be able to pay either through your branded payment page or through the FinancePro portal. If they choose to go through the payment page, they will enter their information to access their open invoices. Then, they'll select which invoices they want to pay, make partial payments if needed, and choose either credit card or ACH. If they pay through the portal, the client will click Make a Payment and select a payment method and the account that will be charged. Clients will also have the ability to store payment details for future use. This will make the payment process quicker and easier when paying through the FinancePro portal. After the client pays, the online portal records the payment, and both you and the payer will receive an e-receipt. You'll also be able to track these payments within the ePayPolicy dashboard. As you can see, the integration really does streamline your receivables. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about the FinancePro integration today.